something to present to us. So they are here this afternoon to do that presentation to us. So I'll leave it to the president, and then he will continue from there.
Fabulous.
Yes.
Fabulous.
Yes.
Fabulous. A more day, yampa. A more day year. Anyway, good afternoon, gentlemen. We are here again to worry you. I will say we are here to worry you. Anyway, so maybe my makes a foreigner's woman.
I understand.
Mukwala, I think now you can hear tree. At all. Then maybe I have to miss.
But you know Famame. Yeah. When they are playing, I hear you say Famame.
Then Fatuho. So yeah, but like said the coach can all the time, now encouragement. If we say yes, we have been in the system, gone through all the processes that you are going through today. So maybe somehow we have maybe the impetus to come and then maybe advise and then encourage you. You see, when the going gets tougher, then we have to intervene and then maybe cushion you some time for a bit. So we are here this afternoon to encourage you and to pledge our support for you. When we started the league, it wasn't going well with you and with us there. So I thank God you came back and then redeemed yourself. You lost 3 matches on the trot, but you came back to win 7 matches on the trot. That is a good achievement, I tell you. And only a friend who come up Ember. So we are here to encourage you and to pledge our support for you. We will be praying for you so that maybe we are still in contention. The league, we are still in contention. We can do it because we've done it before. But today we are here to present this machine to you on behalf of Asante Kotoko legends, with the support of our legends outside. In fact, we discussed it and then we decided to buy this machine for you. This machine is like a jacuzzi with the hot water, with the cold water. So after hard day's work, you can relax in. And it can take about 4 to 5 people at a time. So we thought of maybe come and support you with this machine, with our widow's might. So we are here to present this machine to you. And then before, we didn't do the introduction. For me, you know me all the time when we come. George Kennedy, the leader, and then also such Ember. We used to call him VW, the smoker.
Punchy break.
And then Nana Ampere, he's now a king, so we call him Nana.
Chairman.
He was a defender, like a barrier. You can't pass by. And then we have Mr. Asare. He also a winger. And then Dada Asamoah, he is now represented from those in abroad. So he brought the machine. So we are here to present this machine to you. Thank you.
We, the legends in abroad, we are always supporting you guys. We even fight with our supporters over there, even the radio station over there, about performances and all that stuff. But we know Kotoko sometimes it's not every day that we can get a good match or something like that, but the attitude that we always wanted to see, because Kotoko, if you play Kotoko, the attitude always has to be right here, because Kotoko is a big than you, the player. You see what I'm saying? So you have to be prepared for your attitude to be up there. So when you get to the fielder, it's not you. When you get to the field, the first time I entered Kotoko, it was easy for me because I already were known before I played Kotoko. So it was easy for me. But on course of the field of play, when you enter the field, the mindset that you need to be focused, that Kotoko is a bigger team, so I have to be performed so that the supporters, and because one time I was almost get beat up. He's the one took me and put me in somebody's car and drove away from there. You're going to get that. We play against dwarfs, and it wasn't my fault. It was Prince Asamoah. Selfishness, trying to score, and then the goalkeeper fumbled, and the speed that I was coming, the ball hitting my shin and then over the bar. At the end of the game, I was blamed that I didn't score to win the game. Tons of supporters were following me to beat me up. The one, told all the supporters to get away because they did the same thing to him against Bola. No, the Tema team, Gapoha. Yeah. Gapoha. Yeah, the same thing. They did the same thing. And they did the same thing to Frank Abankwa also. So you just have to be aware. One day, the same thing, the Kotoko supporters will be like the same. When you miss a chance, they go crazy because they die for the team. But I know this generation is different from our generation. Because our generation will prepare so hard, even individually. Chairman will run from where he lives to the stadium, and then when he come back, the whole team will stairs back and forth on it. So you do your own individual training before you get here. So I don't know, this area is different from where we were trained before. So, but the seriousness is important when you're playing Kumasi Asante Kotoko. It's a big team, so you have to present yourself as a bigger. But when you're walking outside, everybody see you. If you won a game, the supporters, you are the champion of the Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Because supporters will love you. The same person, if you lost, you are their enemy. So just put in your mind. So everything, the attitude need to be always positive when you enter the field of play. Even the training. Kotoko training is like Kotoko against Haas. Because everybody wanted to play fair selection. Everybody wants to get fair selection. Yeah, Oduro. What do you call it? Antonio Sekojo, the goalkeeper. Arhin Duah, former Kotoko, also striker. Ziko. I don't know if you know him. Stephen Oduro. Ember, and myself, and then the old legends, Joe Mensah and Charles Opon, and to present to the legends, to present it to you guys. Okay? They saw, Kotoko is a big team, and they don't deserve. We thought about that, and it's okay. We can get something like this for you guys to use it. 5 people can use it. Maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes out, and another 5, you use it. This one, you can use it as a cold water with the ice in it, and it has a machine on it that you can plug it to use it as a bubble bath. So when you are tired, your backside or whatever, you sit in it, there's a hose on it. Just put your back on it, and you can see that it's fit to you. By the time you get out from there, you feel that you're massaged and everything. Nice. So we thought about it, and then we bought this to present this for you guys to do the job for us. So when we are working in America and see the Kotoko win, but there's a lot of people over there, Kotoko supporters are there, and then always we talk about the team. These days the performance wasn't good. Everybody was talking about it.
Our legends, on behalf of the playing body, we would like to say a very big thank you. At least we know our president always with his colleagues. They always come here and always motivate us and encourage us. But this kind of gift is really great for us, and we will say a very big thank you to you all. And we hope more to come, and we also give our best and try our possible best to make you proud. So we say a very big thank you.
There's no other